we need to wrap it in like the satin black and then make the wheels black.
What?
Italian brain rot.
Anyways, what we are doing right now is we wrapped up a security film install job.
Got 9 lives. Bounty hunters when we come for your life.
Thanks.
Me too.
And then Dale, what do you want?
Brown sugar shaken espresso.
I want that.
And then a brown sugar shaken espresso.
2.
Size.
Large.
2.
Do you want me sweet cream?
Should I grind it?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Food, anything like that?
No.
Oh, just a bottle of water as well.
We really need this car.
Yeah, it's in process right now. So we already paid for the transport. We paid like $1,600 for it.
My blood sugar's low. I'm getting dizzy and delirious, so we're gonna get a sandwich from my favorite deli in Staten Island, Frank and Sal's. You know, after I carried the weight of the team during this install, you know, you gotta feed the star player. Right, Mike?
Yeah, only when you yelled at me in front of them, bro. I was about to fucking...
Well, you fucked up. You don't understand. You know how to make it juicy and wet. And you're fucking just left it dry. I'm like saying spray water, and you're fucking...
Yo, I'm spraying the water, bro. You're fucking... We're ripping it up too fast.
No.
You said
You were
juicy
ripping it
and
up
wet?
before I could spray the water.
No, because you don't have the finesse. Like, you gotta peel the back of it as you're rolling it out while I'm spraying and go high up. You're going low, like, you know. It's just not easy. You know, someone that never installed, it's so hard to explain to them, you know. I know people see the Montclair, you know.
The Montclair, yeah. Are we gonna talk about the little...
You know, they think,
They
yo,
got your goose, bro.
They think,
They
yo,
got your goose.
They think, man, this guy doesn't install film, bro. He's rocking a Montclair. Ain't no way he installed it.
Looks like it's covering the whole car, but
Yeah.
it's kind of silly. Should we close this? It's cold.
No. I mean, we could. It is cold.
It's cold.
It is cold.
So there's a couple places where
Yo, this thing's fire.
Right?
Joe, what you think? Joe, what are your thoughts on it?
Looks sick. Looks super sick.
We're just gonna take
I don't know if that was like duct tape or not. What's going on, brother? How are you?
we have to film a piece for. Ooh, this really got scratched.
It's self-healing, right?
Is it?
Right, Greg?
Well, that's the thing is.
That's Greg.
Yo, honestly, I think the coating in the film is actually like a lifesaver because it's just coming right off.
Here we go. Ready?
Those spiders. Actually, it's good for right now.
All right. Cool.
Good way. You guys
Okay, so I'm enjoying the GT3 with its little makeover with the Christmas lights. Now, with the, you know,
Is that 3M tape like on the like original or?
it all starts from the door.
Yeah, but like the 3M, that's pretty sticky. I'm gonna be honest with
It
you.
is sticky stuff. The coating is just so good.
What film brand is this? A Nose Attack?
Nose Attack. And we are your preferred Apex dealers here in New Jersey. It's such a silly car.
Yeah.
And what's in here?
Have you guys taken out like a dirt road or anything yet?
Oh, all the time.
Really? That's sick.
I need my bag.
I got an idea of what we can do for photos.
What?
I think
gloss.
I know. I said gloss too, but you were saying that with the dirt, he's not going to clean it.
He's never ever gonna get clean. So I think probably satin. Satin on the wheels, mirrors. Now here was my thought after talking to you. Black, just leave this white.
That's pretty dope.
That would be very cool. So
that'd
we'll
be
do
cool.
that. So black, black, and then this like trim piece here,
Yeah,
white.
leave that. I think we should do them in gloss black though.
Okay, yeah, let's do
Think
the gloss
that'll
black. That's good there. And then the Valtronic shields, we'll keep them in the same position, and those will be gloss black.
Mhm.
The rear wing here, we're gonna do the Eastland, like the word Eastland across the top of the wing, and this, if this is all satin, we can do this in gloss.
Cool.
We'll obviously keep the Dakar badge and everything. Same thing with the shields on this side.
Fun to retake.
The shields will stay. And then the graphics on the doors. I'd like to just replicate this almost exactly.
Okay.
Keep the Rough Roads Porsche, and then this will all be in gloss black, but then we just do like the Valtronic logo and then the Eastland logo together. I
Okay.
think that would be cool.
Yeah.
Then it kind of ties it all together.
So keep
And-
the Rough Roads Porsche. Keep that rectangle.
Yeah, so everything is going to stay the same. Yeah,
Cool.
and then we just we have probably, I'd say, the car is satin, so we would do this gloss, and then the logo for Eastland and Valtronic to be satin, so that I'll have the contrast will pop a little bit. Yeah, all this can come off, and then the rest of the car, I think I was thinking maybe to do a stripe like on top of this.
It's gonna be sick.
That we can always, that should be
Super sick.
That could be an afterthought. And then what about the tint? I'm curious your guys' thoughts with the tint. My father is not a drug dealing gangster ghetto guy. But I thought maybe the tint like 50%, just something like a little, like a light smoke, just so that it's, if you were to look in the car, it wouldn't be so obvious that it's him driving.
Yeah.
I don't know, what do we think? It is funny, it's like, I've never been a fan of black cars until I got this car. Well, the 720 was black, and I was like, oh, I'll change the color. And then it stayed black, and then when I was speccing this, I was like, black.
I feel like you always see them with like the crazy colors too. Like when you see it in black, it's more like.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Very nice.
Very nice, I like.
So, there's a lot of... We got that shit on deck. I don't know why this is in here.
Is that a sponsored partner?
Might have to be.
Oh,
New partnership.
The Irish Spring.
the Irish Spring in the car. Gotta keep yourself.
Mirror paint, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this.
Do you want some paddle shifters? Do you want some paddle shifters?
What are they?
There's this 992 paddle shifters. 'Cause I put the magnetic paddles on this car. Yeah, have a paddle.
Might be a
Have
cool
a
little
bag.
keepsake, I
Here you go,
guess.
have them. It's one. You're one step closer.
Wow, yeah, right? Put it on the E92. It's gonna be, it's almost a GT3.
Basically.
Let's go eat some food.
Another Valtronics car in the books.